about 1 hour 30 minutes drive towards the ice cap, and right before we're coming up on the ice cap we can park the car and then go walk the rest of the way. It'll be like 400 meters of walk, then we are right up on the ice cap, and that is at point 660, which is 660 meters above the ocean. And then when we go back we have about 40 minutes drive, then we can walk over to Russell Glacier, which is the edge of Glacier tongue going out on the south side. And after that we have another 45 minutes drive back again. The sunset should be around 12, so we're in a kind of hurry. I don't think we should go more than 50-60 here kilometers per hour. It's quite slippery. And if you look all over, there's a big chance that you will see a muskox or a reindeer. They are all over. If we see some, I will point them out, but I think that we should go straight in there so we have more time when we go back. And the sunset will be in about 2 hours from now. Then the twilight starts.